So first I have given Reliance call. If Reliance cross above 2348, stop loss with 2320. It targets of 2355, 2368, 2375, 2385 and 2400 roughly. So these are fresh targets for Reliance stock because there is no previous trend for me to give me stocks, but I have predicted that it can move around 0.5 to 0.9% probability and assessing that it can move in this range targets. So targets have been set, and if you see me, it is getting consolidated. This is a consolidated zone. So if you go for today high level, it went around 2360, almost 2359. So I have given the targets of 2355. Suppose if it is not crossed, that means it has been crossed and it came down. Sell Reliance at 2340 or current market price of the pre-market with stop loss of 2358 and targets of 2285, 2250, 2228, 2200, 2196. And exactly today it went around low of 2282 by hitting the targets of 2285, first target. So this is one of the best call today the Reliance has been given. And moving on to Bajaj Finserv. So Bajaj Finserv stock comes with, let's take this. So if you see Finserv stock, it went high around of 6193. Let me confirm here. It went around high of 6194. So if you see, I told to buy above 6120 with targets of some predetermined targets with a stop loss of 6089. But unfortunately, market opened at 6158 by hitting the targets of 6138, 6144 and 6154. So if someone buy at the rate of 6158 opening rate, they can book profit at 6163, 6175 and 6182, hitting the immediately three targets with a stop loss of 6089. And if you see, the low is 6091. 6091. Our stop loss is 6089. So this was given on 13th at 5:40 p.m. in my Telegram channel. That is one day before. On Sunday I have given this. My Telegram channel is absolutely free for everyone. So if you moving on to next stock, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, I can see some movement positively upwards. That's why I've been picked up this stock in my radar. So if you see today, it went around high of 3572. 3572. I gave buy above 3540 with the targets of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 5 targets: 3549, 3559, 3566, 3575 and 3581. So if you see today it is opened at 3557, but I told you can buy it above 3540 by hitting the first target of 3549. So second target immediately 3559, 3566 and 3575. It went exactly around 3575.05 with a stop loss of 3420. I told to put stop loss at 3515. So one can book the targets at this one or this or this. So if you're moving on to Jubilant Life Sciences, Jubilant Life Sciences stock. If you move on, it went to high of 769, 769.65. It has opened at 743. I told to buy above 740 with the targets of 748, 53, 755, 759, 764 and 771. It went around high of 769.65, close to my fifth target. Sorry, close to my sixth target. With a stop loss of 735, it went down to 743. That means the opening price is almost equal to low price because it never came down that price. See the stop loss, buy above 740 with a stop loss of with only just 5 points. That's the confidence of the stock I have given yesterday. So if you move on to Alembic Limited stock, Alembic Limited stock, I think I don't have in my radar. So if you move on to this, I told to actually uh, if you see Alembic stock, sell below 107.10 with a stop loss of 108.5. So Alembic Limited today opened at 108.75 with a low of 104.25. So I predicted some downward side movements. All targets got hit in the first session. In the first session itself, after reaching some heights, so my target triggered at somewhere. So it went low off in the opening session. It went to high. So it opened around at 108. I told to buy at 107.10, somewhere around target. Yeah, I think this should be the target triggered at 134. You can see sharp rally downside of 104.4. I have given the last target of 105.80. So all targets hitting with maximum of around just 1 hour. So if you see Tata Elxsi, Tata Elxsi, you see Tata Elxsi has a sharp rally in the market from past previous sessions and it's going to get consolidated again. So if you see today, it went to high of 1330. So I told to buy above 1290. Today it opened at Tata Elxsi. It opened at 1305. So the hitting the first two targets. So immediately it reached to the height of 1331. I told to buy to target of 1317 with a stop loss of 1284. Today the low is 1272. So if someone has taken, they should have exited at 1317. So all targets got hit. So if you move on to Emami Limited, I can see some sharp rally in Emami Limited since last trading sessions. So I gave the targets very simple and precise. So today it opened at 383.50. I told to buy at current rate 383.50 or 384 exact. The market has opened at 383.50. I just predicted that it can move further 50 paisa, so I gave 384 also. The targets of 386, 391, 396 and 399. So exactly it went around to 400. So I told it should be going around exactly at 399. I mean close to, and it got hit the all the targets 1, 2, 3, 4 with low of 381. I gave stop loss of 377. Actually previously it went to 380, that's why I just modified the stop loss to 377 before updating in my telegram channel. So this is all targets got hit by Imami Limited. So moving on to Balkrishna Industries. So actually I don't know about anything about Balkrishna Industries, but I predicted some movement can be happening in Balkrishna Industries. So today it opened around today it opened around 1312.95. I told to buy above 1305 with a target of 1314, 1321, 1331, 1340. It went to high of 1378.45. A sharp rally has been seen. A sharp rally has been seen. It is going actually on day February 20 tried to cross this 1300 level. Again with the pandemic it went down, again came back, crossed, came, consolidated again in these levels and it went up. So I predicted that move can go up. So all targets got hit. And fortunately I did not give stop loss. Yes, I can see some big positive rally in Balkrishna Industries. That's why I did not give stop loss. So if you see next stock Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank today I think first target got hit. So if you see Bandhan Bank, it opened at 312.50. I told to buy it above 311.85. Targets of 314.5, 316, 319, 327. Stop loss of 298. So if you see it went higher end of 318.40. Exactly the third target, near to third target. So first two targets got hit. So if you move into buy SBI, so if you move on to SBI Bank, so today it opened at 205.90. I told to buy above 203.80 with targets of 207.30, 10, 16. It went around 206.20. I gave target, so none of the targets got hit or none of the stop loss has got hit. I think it went low of 197.35. My stop loss is 197. 197.35. My stop loss is 197. So if someone entered at 203.80, probably they have booked loss, because I think because stop loss not got hit and the target got not hit because it was stuck in the middle way in a consolidated zone. So moving on to Kotak Bank. Stop loss is very important in the stock market because it minimizes your loss, and setting the right type stop loss is also very important. So if you see buy Kotak at 1336. So today Kotak opened at 1337. I told to buy above 1336. The targets of 1350, 75 and 98. Stop loss of 1300. It went exactly to the low of 1300. So this exactly the stop loss got hit at this level. I thought of giving it 12.99, but somewhere I guessed that it could not go beyond that level, but it exactly touched and kissed and went above. So I think first target also not got hit because of I gave 1350. I would have probably given 1347 also, but I can see that they can see a sharp rally in that. So I told in Telegram channel to book at profit at 1345 itself. So obviously if stop loss got, if the stock went to low of 1300, I have updated my stop loss to 1300. I should accept my mistake that I have to see, I have to correct my mistakes in future stocks. So these are the stocks I have given in my Telegram channel one day before, and everything got except last few bank stocks, because banks are nowadays, because of this governments updating their inflations and all and funding the money into the market. So bank nifty is getting quite troubled with the European markets as well, with the inflation factors and all. So this could be probably the reason why Kotak Bank could not hit the 1350 target, because it should get 1350 target but it cannot. So one can I'll be keep on updating that when to book profit and all. So I told to trail stop loss also. So guys, this is a review of 14th September 2020 position, which was given on 13th September 2020 at 540, and all the targets almost got hit. Thank you.